In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can create an order directly through your Instaproofs administrative site rather than having to create the order through a client gallery. To get started, we're going to click on Selling, Orders, and then at the top of the Orders page there's a Create New Order button. We're going to click that button and it's going to ask us for the shipping information for the order that we're going to place. By default, the shipping information will contain your account information, but if you're going to be sending the order to a client, you can change this to your client's information. After you've provided your shipping information, you're going to select the gallery that the images are going to come from and click the Next Step button. On this page here, it's going to show you all the images that are found within that gallery that you've selected, and you can select the images that you'd like to order here and then also select the print size that you're going to be ordering. You can add multiple images at once by clicking your Control button, and you can select either a print size or a print product if you set those up through your account already. We're going to go ahead and just add a couple more here. We'll add these, and then we're going to select Done to indicate that we're done selecting the images for this order. The page will refresh. It'll show you the items that you've added to your order, and at the top of the page you can either send it to the lab yourself by clicking the Begin Fulfillment Process link, or if you have automatic fulfillment set up, you can just wait and that will be automatically sent for you. If you'd like to send it to the lab yourself, go ahead and click Begin Fulfillment Process. And here it'll provide you with the shipping information that you already gave it. And you can just verify that the information is correct. Click Save and continue to crop. And then go through the images that you're ordered here. If everything looks good, you'll select your payment method, review your order, and submit it. That order will be sent directly to the shipping address that you provided previously, and that's all there is to it. If you have any questions about this, shoot us an email at support@instaproofs.com.